What's up, man? Welcome again to Orkisa Garage. Today I'm doing a 2016 Dodge Charger two-wheel drive, 3.6 liter V6. This one right here, that one right here. I'm helping a friend of mine. I'm checking. They had there's no check engine light, but when I scan it, because they're trying to do smog, they cannot pass the smog because once the smog tech check to their computer, there's a 128 P0128 check engine code, meaning about the coolant temp sensor or the thermostat something. I have to read it again. I'll let you see it on the old data. What is specific name of that P0128 thermostat rationality? So basically, the car has 110,000 miles. So possible cause is about the coolant low, temperature housing, thermostat housing, or the temperature sensor. So this one, when I drive it to freeway, the temperature is going normal, but I'm gonna check the wiring. I'm gonna check if there's like voltage or something. I'm not good in diagnosing, but I'm practicing. So I'm going to focus here is the low coolant level, thermostat housing, and then temperature sensor. I think there's two coolant temperature sensor. First, I seen on the coolant temp, the coolant reservoir, there's coolant. I think the thermostat is only last certain mileage, so I think it's the original. It's 110 now. So basically, the thermostat is getting worn out. It's not opening up in the right temperature, or it's not holding a specific temperature. That's why it has the 128 coolant temp sensor. So what I'm gonna do, check the basic stuff, and then drain the coolant, because I bought the coolant too, the fresh coolant, and then replace the thermostat housing unit. It's the whole assembly. Basically, it's this one. It's the whole part, and I get it from the dealer. It had to be dealer. This one I don't want to get from AutoZone because this is 2016, and this is the coolant. It's color pinkish, 50-50. I'll put all the information later on once we're done with the car. Okay, so as you can see, I have coolant here. It's still hot right now. I'm gonna let it cool down. First, I'm going to take this off. The intake duct is the whole thing. Take it from here. There's two clamp right here, and then it's connected to the upper radiator hose. It's right here. It's basically on this side. Let me set up first, and then we'll work on it. So there's a sensor right here. I think this is the air temperature sensor. Just take it off. Let's see. From here, take it off from here. We can just like swing like here, and it's basically right here. So the housing is right here. This one. So there's 210, and then take this one off. First, I'm going to drain the coolant first, and then slowly open up. Oop. Okay, and then I forgot I have to buy the radiator cutter. You see how like rusty? I forgot to order this one. I'll tell to my friend. Okay, so to drain the coolant, there's the hose right here, and then the drain cup is on this side. Okay, I think I can, let's see, there's a clips down here, 1 2 3, so I get access to that. Drain cup is right here, that piece right here, that's the drain cup. Alright, so I have to get that in. Now I'm draining slowly. I have to open it more so I can get more of the coolant. Yeah, I got all the coolant, so now let it drain and then take off the upper radiator hose and then start taking off from here, and then refill the coolant and then bleed the system. Oh, first I have to get the cup first. Okay, so now I'm ready to the hose. Okay, take it off. There. Then there's like 2 bolts right here. I'll show to you. There's one here, one on the bottom, and then slowly take it in. So this one, break it in first. Other one, break it in. And I ready the catch fan underneath, just in case I still have coolant. Slowly take it off. Here you go. So these are the thermostat housing, and I still have the gasket over there. So this is our like 100,000 miles now. And then clean this one, clean it, and then put the new one. Okay, so now I clean the mating surface. I have to put the thermostat. What I'm gonna do is hand threads first. Don't just put it in. Hand threads, because if you messed up, you have to replace this outlet right here. Okay. I don't have to put the gasket maker, because this one already had the gasket. That's it. And then put your upper radiator hose. It's more easier. Some WD-40. Okay. Get the clamps. Come on. Okay. There you go. That's good. And then close the drain plug downstairs. And I don't know where's the coolant temp. I have to check on the old data where's located at. Okay, I closed the drain plug underneath. Now just refill the coolant. And then clear the DTC. And then open up this one to get all the air out. Let's see how fast they go down. That's all the air. Close up. And refill more. And then open up again my bleeder. See how fast they go down. Okay. Close up, and I'm gonna run to Orielly just to get the radiator cup, and then put back the intake duct. Put it back for now, and then bleed it later. Okay, so I fill up some water, and then once you see that it's spitting with a coolant, basically it's full, and now you have to just clean that one because you don't want your belt to be wet with the coolant, because it will, you know, wear out the belt. Alright guys, I'm done. I'm here at the Platt Street. I'm gonna let it run, bleed the system, blast my heater, sure, and then get my temperature. There you go. I'm in my coolant temp right here, and then trying to get all my coolant up. and then blast out until my coolant temp is up. Right now 67. So yeah, until the cooling fan turn on, that should be good, and then test drive. Sorry guys, I'm all sweating because it's a good weather. It's hot today. I'll see you guys again for the next video. Thank you for your support. If you haven't subscribed, just like and subscribe our channel, because I'm trying to grow it and help me create more content. I'll see you guys again. Thank you guys for your support. Thank you.